So we have an area here where there's not a lot of these really beautiful snowdrops that come early in the spring before all the perennials come. So I want to have a bigger area of these snowdrops. So I'm gonna just actually dig up a big one and I'll just show you. Here's a big clump. This big clump can easily become a new big area with a bunch of new ones. So you just want to pull them like this apart. Make sure the corm is here. And I'll do another one just here. Just pull them apart. And the soil is pretty loose now and really wet. So it's a perfect time while you can see them in flower and the foliage here. So it's a perfect time. It won't harm them to be divided now, because then they'll settle for next spring. And it's a bit easier to see here. There we go. So now we have a lot of new groups here. And that way you can easily get, by the next 2 seasons, all this really bare area before the perennials come. Under the bush also here at the lawn, I can really just put a little bit back where I first took the big clump here. And then they will settle in there, right next to that one with a little space in between. I can place another one, some of them here in the front a little bit. So over time, it'll be covered full of these snowdrops everywhere. There we go.